Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be reviewing the Marc Jacobs Jacquard Tote bag. It is a stunning bag, and I'm going to also share a comparison with the large Canvas tote bag that I have. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So what I really love about this bag is the fact that it is made out of this beautiful Jacquard fabric. Jacquard is a weave-in fabric made on a Jacquard loom. It is super intricate. It is evidently quite difficult to make, and it also is more expensive to create this Jacquard fabric, which I guess is why it's reflected in the price. So it does have this beautiful sort of trim all the way around it, which I think is so pretty. It is soft and feels very much like a ribbon. It's very silky. And of course, I love the signature Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, Marc Jacobs on the front. It is super beautiful font. It's clean. I think it looks crisp and classy. And then on this side, it has the patch, which says Marc Jacobs, the tote bag, and is definitely a much more subtle way of carrying your tote bag if you're not really into the large logos. So this bag does have the little loop which holds the zipper, which is really nice, and all of the tote bags have this longer zip, and it's really nice that you can kind of tuck it in right there. So the zipper is this beautiful silver zipper, and let me show you what that looks like. Beautiful silver hardware. The zipper is really nice, as all Marc Jacobs zippers are, and definitely a little bit more dressy than the Canvas tote bag I have. So this is an unlined tote bag, so definitely something to consider. It is also quite light, so I may over time grab myself an organizer more to protect the bag than to organize it. And then inside the bag, it has this giant sort of 2 pockets, as well as a really nice zipper pocket, which is also a really good size. So that's really nice. It does have the 9-inch shoulder strap, which 9 inches are perfect in my opinion. They are the perfect size shoulder straps. They're great for if you're wearing a chunky sweater or if you're wearing a coat. Anything smaller can get a little uncomfortable and tight. And I have returned bags that are 8 inches in the length of the shoulder strap because of that problem. You know, you can't wear a sweater or a coat, and then you're not able to use your bag the way it was intended. So 9 inches is spot on. You cannot go wrong with a 9-inch shoulder strap. So just to share a few comparisons in the Canvas tote versus the Jacquard tote. So the Canvas tote is definitely a little bit more casual. It still is the exact same in dimensions, has the 9-inch shoulder strap. It's a very durable bag, and I feel like it is definitely a workhorse kind of bag. It is super durable. It is super cute. I feel like it is such a cute preppy bag, and I feel like it has not really had any wear and tear on this bag. I have owned this for a few years now, and I have not been easy on it. And I just feel like it is exactly the same. There is no corner wear. I do set my bags down, and it just looks new. It doesn't look faded at all. The only negative is sometimes it does attract a little bit of lint, but not enough to really bother me. And anytime I need to just give it a quick roll with the lint brush, it just takes care of the problem, and we're good for quite some time. So not really a problem for me, but it is definitely a durable bag. It definitely can hold a really heavy load, and it's just beautiful. definitely more casual, and I feel like really the only differences are just it has a more casual look. It has a little bit of a chunkier zipper. Let me show you that up close. And it is made out of plastic, whereas the Jacquard Tote is a little more dressy and definitely has the silver hardware. So again, really just a little bit more casual, but I love this tote bag. Cannot recommend it enough. It is such a beautiful workhorse. I feel like it would be a great school or work bag, or just an everyday bag for anyone who just prefers to have a nice big tote bag like this. It's beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and share what fits in the Jacquard bag. I'm actually heading out to Starbucks now. I need to get some work done, and I thought, you know what, I'll take my bag. I'm going to go ahead and put some stuff in it so I can get some work done while I'm there. And I am so excited that they have brought back the apple crisp macchiato for the fall season. I am a huge fan of that drink. You guys let me know your favorite fall drinks in the comments down below, but I'm going to head over there and see if I can get some work done. So I thought I'd go ahead and just show you what I'm taking with me to get that done. So first, I'm just going to go ahead and add this 3-ring binder. I'm also going to add my journal. And then I can't go anywhere without my planner. And then I have my pens, pencils. I have some hand sanitizer in here and some Post-it notes. I also have this really cool kind of Post-it note little pad, which is so great. And then, yes, I am that person who actually loves her label maker. That's going with me. I have some stuff I need to label. And then I always carry a makeup pouch. This is my Longchamp pouch with handle. It just holds all my basics, face powder, lipstick, chapstick, anything else I need, the hand lotion and a perfume. I have to take my wallet, and I also have to take my key pouch, and I am all set. And it is such a beautiful bag. I think it looks so pretty. So that is what's fitting in my bag, and I'm looking forward to trying it out and hopefully getting some much needed work done and enjoying that apple crisp macchiato in the process. So I hope this review was helpful for you guys, and if it was, I hope you will go ahead and hit that like button, and I would love it if you would subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Until next time, bye!